Okay, here we are at MacLeay Island and we're about to head off. Say hi!
Hi!
We're about to head off. There's a couple of kayaks already to Kayaking. We'll see if we make it. We've abandoned Kayaking. We're going to check out Pat's Point.
Yay, we're still kayaking. We're in the red one with Mia and Emily.
Hi!
Let's see if we can catch up to those people over there. Here we are, and we have a beautiful scene of sea. And it's a bit choppy, but I think we can make it to Pat's Point. If you can see some rocks underneath. So it looks a bit shallow over here. We're in the shallow end. And over see these trees? We went here yesterday. But yeah, we went and saw all the roots and some of those trees back there. We went under. We're sort of catching up to them. So, I think if these waves get bigger, I think we might fall out. But we're very close. I think we're going to make it because the island is very close in my eyesight. And there's a lovely beach, so probably Leo and me will be able to swim on the beach. And it's a beautiful sight around here. And these waves are very choppy. Just look at them. Very close. Well, if we bring the bucket. Yeah, we won! We won!
Here they come! Intrepid travellers into shore! Say hi, Leo! Hi! And here we are at Pat's Point. Gonna have a picnic and a toilet break. Hey, Leo! Hi!
So today we're at MacLeay, and the favourite part of the journey was when we were going kayaking.
Alright, here we are. We are finished up at beautiful Pat's Point. We had a picnic and now we're heading off again. Woo!
Today we're going kayaking, and we're in kayaks, and it's really wavy because look at the waves. And look at Mia.
Hi! Mia's having a paddle. Powering along.
I was paddling first, but then Mia wanted to have a try. And look
she
at
was
her.
getting tired.
Before we even videoed this, we saw these little tiny fish, and they were going. They were black, and they're like swimming, but hopping out of the water and then going back in.
Bobbing, bobbing, bobbing.
Yep. exactly what Mia said. Can you see our holiday house? I'll show you when we get there. It's over there. Yeah, it's that white house with the white roof.
Yeah, the white sloping roof.
And there's a little bit of blue.
Yeah, but not those other white ones with the boats next to it. The one that doesn't have the boats next to it.
It was really complicated. We had to go on a ferry to get here. And we have 5 more days here.
Jacob, what do you weigh?
75 kilos.
Tony, what do you weigh?
110 kilos.
So what's that together, Jake?
185.
And how's the boat performing at 185 kilograms?
It was good. It was straight. It went fast. Perfect.
Pretty rigid.
Very
Pretty rigid, hey?
comfortable too,
Yeah, it looks good. All right, thanks, guys. We're staying here at Villa MacLeay, but if you're not staying here, there is a boat ramp just here on Dalroopa Ave, Dalroopa Street. And there's also a public access right here with a little park. Plenty of parking and public toilets at the boat ramp. So very convenient, great place and extremely sheltered. Look how calm it is, right? It's like a mill pond here. It's northwest facing, so it avoids most of the southeasterly winds. Just a great spot to have a paddle. Here they come. 3 girls on a kayak. Look, there's a mermaid on the bow. And I can see another little mermaid inside. Little mermaids. Tony, go out and pick up some mermaids. Plenty of room. Fit the whole family in. Hi. Hey, Leo, can you wave? He's like lounging back. Look, say hi, girls. Hi. We're going for another paddle.
Catching some waves. Well, a lot. We're not going home just yet, but we're sort of exploring. Oh, and if you want, you can see a flag on a boat. On that boat.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Did you enjoy your kayaking?
Yes.
Yes. Did you enjoy your kayaking?
Yeah.
Yes. And which kayak do you like the best?
Out of these 2,
No, out of all of them.
probably the yellow.
The yellow. Nice. What's that?
Because it has these really thick sides like this one, but on this brown one it feels a little bit more wavy.
Oh, you can feel the waves in the blue one. Yeah. Are you gonna go kayaking together? All right, not too deep though. We're gonna go along with you. Drying out in the sun.